Well, good morning. It's Sunday morning here in the South, and I have finally invented something. You know, during the winter time, when I've got time to sit around and start thinking about golf and how I can make it easier on myself, well, that's all I'm doing is showing you easier ways of maybe thinking about stuff. I've got a putty mat inside that's about 10 foot long, that I putt on all the time to sharpen my skills. And so I started thinking about stuff. I started thinking about, well, you know, and basketball. And I've been watching a lot of the basketball March Madness stuff. You know, when you shoot a basketball, you're not watching your hands to see where your hand is when you shoot a basketball. I played baseball when I was in high school, and I pitched, and I never watched my hand when I pitched a baseball. I played a few horseshoes in my life too, and I've never watched my hand when I threw a horseshoe. Why do we watch the damn ball when we're putting? Okay, why do we watch it? It's because that's the way they said we should do, is watch it. I'm gonna show you a putting method that I came up with, and it has proven itself over and over and over inside that house. And I'm gonna explain it to you. I'm gonna call it ITRAC putting. All right. Now we all know that a lot of people, Jordan Spieth and some of the pros, will look at the target and then putt. Well, this is different. This adds another dimension to looking at the hole and putting. Okay, ITRAC putting works like this. One, I pick my line out. I pick my target that I'm going to, kind of like a basketball hoop, pole to ring a horseshoe around, or a pitcher's mitt, or a mitt when I'm throwing a baseball to. Okay, it's the same principle. So I got my target picked out. All right. Now I'm gonna set my club behind this target, behind this ball, in line with the target line I want to go down. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my head and look at the target. Okay, now I'm going to keep my head at that angle from now until I hit the putt. Now here comes the secret. The secret is when I'm looking at this target out here, I leave my head this way and my eyes come right back to the ball. So my eyes are coming right back to the ball. Why do I do that? To get the feel of holding a baseball and throwing it, or a basketball and shooting it, or a horseshoe and throwing it, you have got, we don't hold on to the golf ball. We hold on to this. So we have got to come back to this spot, because we're not holding on to the ball, we're holding on to a tool that moves the ball. And what we do, we bring our eyes right back to the ball, okay? And we take our stroke. You can see the club coming back, and once it goes back, my eyes go right to the target again, okay? Like that. See what I'm saying? So what you gotta do is pick out your line, set your putter behind it, turn your head and look at that target. Leave your head in that position, bring your eyes back to the ball, and once the club comes back, now I can take my eyes and go down the target line. That's why I call it target line golf, or what did I call it? I don't know. I'll have to look at the first of the video to see what I called it. Okay, but anyway, you guys try that. It works. Now, I'm going to tell you something else. It works. It works also in chipping. Not pitching, but chipping. It works in chipping too. Talk to you guys later. What did I call this? Bye.